Your Dia box has arrived.
Welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne, and I'll be doing another unboxing of my next installment of lovely clothes from Dia & Company. Before I get started, I wanted to talk about a few things. One, a lot of people will say, I've been watching some unboxings, and people are saying, oh, the stylist didn't know me, nothing fits. And that's been happening to me lately. But I didn't forget, and I kind of did forget, that when I first started ordering from Dia & Co., it was over 8 months ago, and my body has changed. And I went back to the profile you fill out, and I did adjust a few months ago, change the sizes of some things, but they also ask for certain articles of clothing. They ask for like a number size. It's not just a large, extra large, 2X, something like that. They ask for sizes like an 18 or a 16 or whatever size that you wear. And I had to adjust. I have to adjust that. You're going to see with the clothes that I try on now, they are too big. But also, you have to pay attention to if you didn't like lose weight or gain weight, sometimes you lose inches or gain inches. So you have to look at that as well. It's just an FYI, because I was feeling a little frustrated because of these beautiful clothing that I've been sent, and it's just too big and I couldn't figure out what was going on. So yes, I am pretty smart, and I did adjust, but I really didn't adjust enough. So anyway, that's my little spiel, my little tip. But I also have another tip. Here I have with me raspberry iced tea. And I want to share this with you. I don't know about you, but hydration, drinking water is very, very important. Yes, water. I don't know, however you pronounce it, water. For everybody lives somewhere different, slightly different. It's all the same. Agua, you know, the clear stuff. This is iced tea. Anyway, I get bored with water after a while. It has to be ice cold for me to enjoy it. I even make it sort of slushy like with crushed ice. And if it's not, I get bored. So what I drink, and not a lot of, but a couple glasses a day, is tea. Unsweetened tea. Raspberry. I like Lipton. I'm not doing a commercial for anyone. Lipton, Bigelow. They all have delicious teas. You can get mint. It could be a black tea, a green tea. This is raspberry. It has little frozen raspberries. In one of my videos, I showed how to do frozen raspberries and frozen pineapple chunks. We were putting it in a wine punch, but it goes for anything. Anyway, this is unsweetened raspberry tea. It has 0 calories. Sometimes if you put squirts of lemon or pieces of fruit in it like this, it could go up to 2 calories for 1 cup. 2 calories for 1 cup, but then you add your water and your ice, and it actually is even less than that. And it's really delicious. So these are some of the things that I like to do because it's delicious, it's different, and it's calorie free. Carbohydrates, I think there was like, when I was looking into it, it wasn't even, it was like 0.3 of a gram of carbohydrates. And I think that had to do with if you were adding fruit. So if it's just plain old black tea and it's chilled and you add crushed ice and you put a squirt of lemon in there or even just a squirt of orange, you're good to go. Anyway, try it. It worked. I love recipes. I'm always doing recipes. You can watch another video of me in the kitchen, or Deborah in the kitchen, or the two of us in the kitchen, or with the little ladies doing different recipes. But that's a whole other video, which you can connect to if you subscribe and you can just watch. Okay, here we go. Beautiful things in this box. Summer's coming and I am a dress girl. I love dresses. So I said all 5 items could be dresses, and they sent me 2. I don't think they thought I was serious. I'm gonna be calling them up. But I'm gonna show you 2 of the dresses. So I've already unboxed and I put it on this rack that I put this rack together, by the way. I did this. This rack is from Bed Bath Beyond and it's pretty nice, and it was only $19.99. Anyway, this is exclusive, East Adeline exclusive line to Dia & Co. It is a long, down to my ankles dress. The colors are beautiful. I'm gonna come up close so you can see. It looks like it's a black background, but it's almost like a navy bluish black, if that makes sense. It's an odd black, or maybe it's just picking up the other colors. It's gathered here in the waist. It has a V neckline Look at the sleeves. It's very light, goes all the way down to the bottom, and the pattern continues. Very nice. I'll be trying that on. Then they give me a second dress, and this is from, I've never heard of anything like this before. This is Meri Skye, so maybe some of you out there have seen it. This is navy blue with white. It's really lightweight. It's a little on the sheer side, so I don't know if I would have to be wearing something under it or not. It has a little sleeve. It's more like, it's a little more than a cap sleeve, but it's a very short sleeve. Has a belt, gathers and wraps in the front, almost like a fake wrap, all the way down. It's very pretty too. I'm gonna try that on for you. They're capri pants. They're very stretchy by Lysse. Here, I'll show you the tag so you can see right up here what I mean. These are white with a flowered print on them, black. And like I said, they are capri. They're cute. I'm not going to try them on for you. Here's why. I may have not been specific enough and I had to go back to check. I don't wear white pants, whether they fit or not, whether I'm thin, chubby, whatever weight I am. I don't wear white pants. I think in my whole life, I wore white pants once, a pair of white pants that I wore to a dance when I was in 6th grade. I remember this. My mom had bought them for me and I said, Mom, I don't like white pants. And she's like, okay, don't ever wear them again. They're gorgeous. Please, if you're thinking about white pants, ask for these. They're really nice. They're super, super stretchy, and they're thick, but they're light. So they would probably be very complimentary on, but I won't wear white. It makes me feel like dirt's going to get on it. And if you know me, I hate dirt and I get nervous and I would have too much anxiety and I just don't like white. They're beautiful though. Ask for them if you like white. This is from Kiyonna. I don't think, or Kiyonna, I've never had anything from this company. And I have things very similar to this. So I probably won't be keeping this either, but it is cotton. And I might keep it because the others I have are more polyester. It is crossed in the front, has like a little knot here. It's really comfortable, soft, almost silky. Look, as I bring it in, you could sort of see the dimensions of it. With these pants, gorgeous. My stylist is Jessica V. She's very good. If you're afraid of styling yourself, I'm telling you, these ladies, I don't know of any men, I've only had ladies style for me, know what they're doing. Now, I can style myself. That is not why I went with D&Co. I went with D&Co because they could get their hands on anything, things I never even heard of, and I wind up loving. Like, I couldn't get my hands on East Adeline, couldn't figure, never even knew they existed until I started with D&Co. I love that line of clothing. Had it not been for D&Co, I wouldn't even know about it. I asked for this. She listens, Jessica. I wanted a denim jacket. This is by Jessica Simpson, by the way. Look at it. It is so cute. It's lightweight, has beautiful buttons and a gold-like trim. It's like, I love the wash. It is like classic denim jacket. How adorable. And I can wear that with dresses. I can wear it with a pair of pants. I'm not allowed to wear denim to school, to work. Denim pants, but I can wear a denim jacket. Look how beautiful. This, I cannot wait to get on. I love just the detail. It's very nicely made. Jessica Simpson. Okay, I'm gonna try some things on. I will be back. Okay, here's the dress. The dress is very comfortable. It's just, it's too big, and that's okay. It makes me feel like, I'm, I don't know, just too big. But it is very, very pretty. I will stand back so you can see. If I actually, I'm gonna move the camera. If I stand in the doorway for you, you could really get a good look of what it's like. It's cute. But again, too big. But ladies, ask for it. It's airy. And I forget what the cost of it is. I'll look it up when I come back. But it's so very nice. I think I'm just going to ask for a smaller size. And I hope they have it. Okay, there's one. This is the second dress. This I like too. I would probably wear some type of a jacket with it, I think. It is on the sheerer side. It is cute though. All right, put the jacket on with it. Not that I would wear this jacket with this dress, but this jacket falls just where it should. It buttons, plenty of room. I mean, it stretches. It is so nice. I am definitely getting the jacket. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. All right. I'm going to try on the black top and not the pants, remember? No white pants for me. Okay. Thank you. I'll be back. The top is beautiful. It's very comfy. I love it. I'll be getting this and definitely that jacket. Maybe the East Adeline dress. Thumbs up. Thank you. I love when I could keep all the pieces, and I can't this time, but that's okay. There's always next time. All right, I'm gonna take a drink. You know what? These ladies that go out and try on dresses and model, and it's hard work, my goodness. And I don't have all these extra lights. I have some, but not all of them. You're hot. Jeez, you get worn out. All right, thank you. Having my calorie-free tea, and there's no artificial sugar in it. I'm actually allergic to artificial sugar. It's delicious. Try it. That's my tip for you. And if you haven't tried a D&Co box, try one. They're economical and they're fun, and they find beautiful clothes that I don't think the average person can. Thank you. Good night. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so.
Again, thank you for watching. Please check the description below where you will find the pricing and a link to Dia & Co.